Hi there, thank you for watching this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook ads on your page as well as how to launch a sample ad set. Alright, it's a very easy process, so we're going to go step by step. So this is a typical ads account interface. This is the first part, which is an ad account, and the other one would be this is what you call the page, your business page. So before you can advertise anything, you need to post a post on business page. Alright, so we're gonna start with this only. Let me open it. And as an example, I have taken two products from the website. Okay, and okay, these are the two products that we're going to test, and this is the page. So here you can see the existing post. This is a pretty good style and easy to use. So what you can do is, first thing is you need an image. Okay, so for image you simply go to any of the product that you're planning to promote, and then you can click on open image in a new tab so that we can get a bigger image, and then click on save image as. Alright, and here you can save it, let's say image 1. Alright, and then you come back to your page, and here simply click on photo and upload. Here we go. Alright, meanwhile you need the text, that means you need a link. So for that you can copy paste the existing one, or you can simply write this, whatever is comfortable, paste it there, but make sure you change the links. For example, in this particular product we need this particular link. Right click, copy, go back, delete the existing one, then paste. It's okay if it's pretty big, that doesn't matter. And same way for the other one also, you can paste the link. You can change this text to whatever you like. For example, right now it says Pug Parents, but this particular product is Basset Hound, so let's change that and make it Basset Hound. Alright, let me make it Basset Hound Parents. This is your bedding, it's not a car seat cover, so we're gonna change that also. This is your bedding set, free shipping, the hurry up limited edition. Okay, everything is perfect then. Alright, and everything is good, then you can simply go ahead and click on publish and wait for a few seconds. This is the post. You can refresh the page once to see how it's gonna look actually. Okay, let me just wait for it. Here it is. Here you can see. So this is our ad image post. Alright, so let's do it one more, because then we can create two different campaigns in Facebook ads account. So let's take another product. It's a car seat cover, and both of these products are different. One is a bedding set, one is a car seat cover. So their target audience, they might be a little different. Okay, so same process. I'm on a Mac right now, so I need to do is click on this and then open image in a new tab. Why I do that? Because this way you can see there's a plus icon, you click on that and you get a bigger image. Okay, so the bigger image turns into high quality image in Facebook ads. So let's name it as image 2. Alright, in the same process, let's just go back to the page and copy something, copy from the existing listing. But before that, click on photo, click on upload again, and then there you can see the image. Let it load, and meanwhile you can paste the text here. And this product is targeted to Rottweiler breed, So we're gonna change it from puck parent to rotaler parents. This is your car seat cover. Yes, because this is a car seat cover. And then you copy this link. All right. Copy. And then we go in here and we gonna paste it. See, this is not like a hard and fast text. You can change a lot of things here. For example, you can instead of doing a rotaler parents, you can say, hey, hi, how are you? I'm sorry, like that. Are you a rotaler parent, or do you love the breed name? Do you love rotaler, or do you love pugs, or do you love whatever? So this is the way. But the important is that first advertisement line, this line, it should be a question, because a question in the post attracts attention. All right. So because we are going to target it to a specific breed only, Rottweiler. I'm sorry, I might be pronouncing it wrong, but just ignore that fact. But the point is, question attracts attention, and so this is the kind of strategy I've tested, a lot. So I can assure you that it really works pretty well. Okay, so this post is also complete. We're gonna click on publish. Here it is. Let's refresh the page once. Alright, this is the post. Now you can see there are like two ad posts. They're very beautiful and pretty big images, so they're gonna stand out in the newsfeed. That you might have seen many Facebook ads in your newsfeed. Same way this works. And let's just click on the link to make sure everything is fine. It's going to the right product, and here we are. Everything looks great. Okay, so this is how you post ads on the Facebook business page. Okay, you can play with the text, you can change it with whatever you like and test more. You can use more smileys like these. Okay, and words like free shipping, or like 50% off, discounts, or for example, if you're promoting on a specific event like Father's Day is coming, so you can say like Father's Day offer, Mother's Day offer. So this is just the text, you can play with it. Okay, make sure your link is correct, because link is everything. This is the one that your potential customer is going to click. All right, and one more thing, you don't need to use boost post. This is only good for an existing page with a lot of traffic, with a lot of likes, and you want to reach your existing page audience, then this is the option. You don't need to do it right now. Okay, so we're done with the post, and let's get back to the ads account and create ads for it. So for that, click on the ads account link. Okay, let it load for a while. I hope I'm not going too fast. If you have a question, make sure you take a notes or something, and then let me know. Alright, this is the ads account, and then let's go and create an ad here. The best way to do this is, you have an existing ad, so all you need to do is just select one of these, for example this one, and click on duplicate. Alright, it's asking the number of copies for each campaign. It's one. Let's just click on duplicate. We just want one for now, although we have two products, but let's go for it one by one. We're gonna start with our first product, that is Basset Hound Print Bedding. So for that, let's name it something like, see, this is a naming format. This way you know the date you have created the campaign. This becomes handy because over a time, if a campaign is not producing result, is not producing sales, then we need to close it. We are not going to run it forever, but this dates actually help us to keep track on the performance of the campaign. Okay, so today is 19th May here at my side, my part of the world, and this is format. You can simply, if you're like using a virtual employee or a dedicated staff member, then you can make sure they use their name there. This way you know who created this campaign. But If you're doing it yourself, then you don't need that. Okay, you can simply remove it. And let's remove copy, and instead of pug, let's make it Basset Hound. All right, so this is our campaign. Now click on it and see, whole advertising account is divided into three parts. First is the campaign, this one. Second is the ad set, and third is the ad. So campaign is nothing, it's just simply the name of the particular ad set. And here you can see our country is already selected because we have duplicated an existing one, so most of the settings are same. We need to click on this pen icon, and here you can see this ad set name is USA. If you are planning to promote in other tier 1 countries like UK, Australia, Canada, then you can change the ad set name accordingly. All right, and in the conversion, make sure you choose purchase. All right, we are aiming for purchase. Okay, and if you go down, then budget, I recommend to start it with $5. All right, that's like pretty much to get started. And most of these options you don't need to touch. Country is United States. If you're promoting somewhere else, then choose that and remove this one. For example, if this campaign is for Canada, you can choose Canada, type Canada, select it from the drop down, and make sure you remove United States by clicking on the X button. Okay, but for now I'm promoting it in USA only, so I'm going to remove Canada. Age group, see, the breed business product, they are especially they're like targeted to women, and based on our testing, 30 plus converts pretty good. So we can go ahead and choose women, 30 plus, 30 to 65. Language is good if you can choose English, because in US, like there's a multicultural ethnicity, so it's better the person should be able to speak and understand English, so they will be more targeted to your ad. These are existing interests, we don't need to do that. Let me just delete all of them. Okay, all right. Okay, so here let me, because this product is a Basset Hound bedding, so of course our target would be the Basset Hound breed. Let's see, what do we have. Here it is, you can see Basset Hound. So a total number of people. And one more thing, make sure you remove this checkbox, expend interest. We don't need to use this. Okay, this is something which is not needed because our campaign are very targeted. We are only targeting to approximately 240,000 people. Okay, so this is pretty good. All right, this kind of potential reach is pretty good. Anything between 100,000 or 50,000 to 500,000 is a good reach. If it is something more than that, then we try to minimize it. How do you do that? For example, suppose this is not Basset Hound, let me make it Labrador. Retriever or something. Here it is, and let me remove the Basset Hound. So if you see, this one is pretty big. This one is targeted to 1.9 million people. All right, this is too big. So what I recommend here is you can click on the narrow audience and you can choose something like activity, like online shopping. I'll share why I'm doing this, and this will bring it down to 1.5 million. Again, I think it's still pretty big, so we can click on narrow further and choose something because we are doing bedding. Let's see if we can get something with beddings. All right, we have an interest called bedding. Nice. Let's click on that. Okay, now this is fair enough. Now we have almost 200,000 people. This is a very fair targeting. So now what we did is we are targeting 3 conditions, which says include people who match at least one of the following. First, their interest should be Labrador Retriever, if that is our niche, and must also match at least one of the following. That means whosoever Facebook is showing our ad should be active in online shopping, should have a proven record of shopping online. So this way we know that our targeted customer have a credit card and they are like proven buyers. All right. And same way, third condition we have put it is like it should have an interest in beddings. So this is like pretty good, because this additional interest will make sure that the customer base have some ideas about bed. Everyone use bedding, right? So the point is we need to keep the potential reach in between 50,000 to 300,000 people, not more. Okay. So but for now this particular campaign is for Basset Hound, so I'm going to delete these additional targetings because we don't need that right now. Basset Hound alone is a right interest in the right limit, so let's do it. Basset Hound, here we go. So it's 200,000 people approximately, it's pretty good, fair. And now there you have two options. You can either choose automatic placement. This is something I don't recommend when you're using a new campaign. Rather than that, just go ahead and click on edit placement, and there you can choose Facebook feeds. We just want to show our ads on the Facebook news feed, Facebook articles. Instagram, you can test Instagram, but in the past I've tested it, it didn't work out quite well for me. But in some cases, some of the existing clients who are promoting this product, they say it's like doing good for them. So I don't know, personally I don't use it, that's what. But if you want, you can test it out, of course. Audience network is something that you see those ads in the games, articles, etc. It's pretty good. Messenger is a new format. It is doing good job here because people can see your ad right into the Messenger. It's like 100% attention. All right. And here we are already optimizing for conversions. We are looking to get more purchases. You don't need to touch anything here. All right, just leave them as it is. You don't need to touch anything there. So this is our ad set setting. What we have done here is we have chosen a country, United States, and we want this ad to be visible to people over 30 years of age and only women, people who can speak English, and their interest is Basset Hound because that's our product. All right. So this is the ad set settings. Now we have done ad set, but what about ad? We need to advertise something, right? So for that you click on the name of the ad set and it will take you to the ad setting. Now because we have duplicated an existing ad, so it is showing the name as Pug, but we need to change that because now we are promoting Basset Hound. So let's click on this pen again, and there you can see your page is already selected, and all you need to do is you just click on this drop down, and there you can see the post that we have posted a few minutes back, Rottweiler and Basset Hound. So let's choose the Basset Hound one and wait for a few seconds because it's going to show the post right here. Meanwhile, you can rename it to Basset Hound conversion. All right, and apart from that, you don't need to touch anything in here. Everything is fine. Okay. This is your pixel ID. Okay, and for some reason I cannot see the image, but that doesn't mean that it, because you can see it has shown the image, a thumbnail here, but maybe my internet is not that good, so it's not showing okay, here it is. This is how it looks. It's gonna look in desktop ads. And if you choose other thing from the drop down, this is how it's going to look in mobile ads. So total Facebook is going to show it in 13 different places: mobile, desktop, tablets, etc. All right. So in this particular part, all you need to do is just choose the post that you have posted on the page, and that's all. Finally, when we are done with it, we can click on the green publish button here. Let's click on that. And here it can show, it is showing that how it is showing the publishing process. Okay, so this multiple items are published and your ad is successfully went into review. Good job, this is awesome. Okay, so we have just posted a bedding ad set successfully for Basset Hound. Now we have posted one more ad that is for car seat cover. Now car seat covers are a little different from the bedding. So for that, let me just duplicate this ad set again. Click on duplicate. All right, and here you can rename it. Our car seat cover is related to a breed called Rottweiler. Let me just copy it. Here it is. Let me copy and paste here. All right, date is 19th May. That's today, and okay, done. If you want, you can even further name it like car seat covers. You know, it's just easier to know which campaigns is for what. So this is good. All right, so click on that. We are back to our ad set. Again, click on this pen so that we can open the settings. From here, everything remains same, like our targeting countries, United States. Okay, difference here is this is the ad for car seat cover, so we can select all, you know, because even the men, because both of them, like women and men, they drive cars, so these are car seat covers, so they're targeted to both of them. But in the existing ad set, it was a bedding set, so women, they're like more of a proven buyers of bedding set. You know, they decide everything for the house. That's like a worldwide phenomenon. So in that case, but here for the car seat cover, you can choose both of them. Okay, and there you need to remove this targeting basset hound and choose our breed. That is it, Rottweil. And all right, we need to choose more of them. Click on suggestions, it's gonna show more. Rottweiler sorry, we need to, yeah, I love Rottweiler. Okay, here you can see we have reached the buffer of 200,000 people. Again, it's pretty fair, so let's leave it like this only. Okay, so this is our targeting again, 30 to 65 plus, men, women. You can always test that. It's based on the product. I think in the breed business catalog, only car seat cover is the product that goes with the all. Otherwise, most of the product I prefer targeting to women only. They are more of a proven buyer. All right, rest everything you can leave as it is. You don't need to go into that. Now just go ahead and click on the ad set name, because we need to choose the ad. Right now this is the copy of a bedding ad, so you can see bedding here. So once again, all you need to do is change the basset hound name with your current breed, that is Rottweiler, and from the drop down just choose your other post that we have already posted. Here it is. Okay, and after that everything looks good. Click on publish. You can see the progress here on the top, publishing 3 of 3. Just wait for a few seconds and boom, we are done. Let me go back to campaigns. So these are the 2 campaigns we have just created. Both of them are in review. Okay, so what if you don't have any campaign here and if you want to create something from scratch? Let me show you a quick demo how you can create something from scratch. All you need to do is click on the create button. It will take you to the ads interface, and always go for conversions, because we are looking for sales. Okay, and sales means conversion. So once you choose conversion here, it's gonna show you like this. I'm sorry, conversion, and then you can again name here. Let me call it test campaign. Click on continue, and now you can see the same interface we have worked before. This is an ad set. You need to choose the ad name, like, which is typically a country. Here you can choose the conversion, like purchase, and here you can choose the location, USA, age 30 plus, gender, language English. You can choose English all, and then in targeting you need to find your breed, the specific breed. Okay, guys, don't you know, make it complicated. Targeting is pretty easy. Simply type the breed name and make sure our potential reach should remain under 300,000. okay, in case you're not able to get it lesser, so that's fine. All right, sometimes bigger breeds also, they perform well, but only point is you need to spend more on that. All right, so this is all. Everything is same here. Let me go back to the ads manager. our campaigns. They're still in the review, so once they're done, they can simply they will start showing. So what if you want to change the budget? All you need to do is just click on the campaign name and click on this pen here, scroll it down, and here's your daily budget. Alright, so in case if a product is performing good, it's getting you sales, then you can simply increase it to $10. You should always increase it slowly. Never like multiply it from $5 to $50, because this will result in a lot of waste money. Facebook gonna eat a lot of money if you're gonna increase daily budget very fast. So suppose you have got a winning product, your design is selling, then what you can do is you can start with $5. Next day you can do it $10, then next day you can make it $20. This is the way you should increase budget. Alright, so Facebook will see it as a natural process and you would enjoy a pretty good prices. Okay, so this is all in the video. I hope now you know the process of posting ads on your Facebook business page and creating your campaigns for conversion using these posts. Alright, so that will be all from my side. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.